October 2020, Flying Cape, a data intermediary that manages ACCA Singapore's professional development website, suffered a data breach affecting 191 users. The exposed personal data included names, email addresses, and contact numbers of website users. The breach occurred when an employee stored an unencrypted Excel file in a publicly accessible online storage bucket. The breach resulted from multiple security failures. An FCPL employee violated company policy by failing to password protect or encrypt the Excel file containing user data. More critically, the file was mistakenly uploaded to a public storage location instead of the secure bucket. FCPL had no systems to monitor or verify employee compliance with data handling procedures. Key oversights included a lack of employee supervision, no verification processes for data storage, and a failure to detect policy violations before they caused harm. For breaching the PDPA, FCPL received a warning but no fine. The leniency reflected their immediate remedial actions, voluntary breach reporting, and the relatively small scale of the incident. ACCA Singapore was found compliant, having conducted proper due diligence on FCPL and included data protection requirements in their contract. So, what are the important takeaways? Third-party vendors require active oversight. Regular audits are essential to ensure compliance with data handling policies. Employee mistakes happen. Systems should verify critical actions like file storage locations, not just assume policy compliance. Encryption and access controls are basic requirements for any data storage, especially temporary working files. This case shows that proper vendor management can protect organizations from liability when breaches occur. Stay secure with our next tales from the cyberspace.